swim.
I don't know how to swim yet. We're not in kindergarten.
You want me to teach you how to swim?
No.
You want me to teach you how to swim, Amanda?
No.
Does someone want to come by me? Whoa! Whoa.
Okay, what?
You want?
Can you swim me back?
What? You're a chicken. Come on.
I want to go swim there.
Okay. Come on. We
I
have
want
to.
to go there.
Okay, we have to go get the ball. Come on. Let's go get the ball. Kick your feet till we get there. Kick. Come on. Kick. Kick. Okay, I'm not gonna let go. You grab the ball. Okay. Kick. Kick back. Kick. Show Amanda what you got.
Look at this ball.
All right. Oh, you're out of here. Where's Emma? No, I'm not gonna get it in your eyes. Oh, look what I found.
The ball.
The ball. Get that ball.
Over there.
Okay,
Look at Grandma.
Oh, look at you. You're floating. Kick your feet.
Kickboard.
You're swimming.
Get it. There you go.
Oh no!